my whole thing. You know, I've never said that I do fashion because I'm so vastly inspired by the West. I mean, I accept the education of the West, but I am totally and completely inspired by what my country has to offer. It's what I do best.
So you think international buyers will be,
I think so.
Okay.
As you know from my last resort collection, Anthropology has taken more than 30,000 pieces, and it's the most prolific fashion store in the world. Yes, this theme was Sharbat. It's called Sharbat. So it is all about being refreshing, cool, delicious, fruit flavored, and Sharbat has no alcohol. I don't drink alcohol, but I feel that it does not preclude being cool, modern, sexy. So this collection is about being wholesome, but on trend, giving this message to the world
So
of what India has to offer.
What all fabrics you have
Fabrics are chanderis, Indian silks, light cottons.
Okay.
रिजॉर्ट फैशन में, यस यस। नहीं तो रिजॉर्ट को थोड़ा सा साइड का समझते थे ना, बिल्कुल मेन स्ट्रीम में आना बहुत ही, और बिजनेस के लिए भी अच्छी बात है।
What do you expect of the business prospects?
You know, I finished? Yes, the business aspect is such that I think I am a key example or a guinea pig or whatever you can say. That मैंने जब शुरू किया तो सब कहते थे इसको मालूम भी नहीं है, but her work is resort. फैशन क्यों नहीं बोलते इसको, रिजॉर्ट क्यों बोलते हैं? बट द थिंग इज दैट दिस इज व्हाट वी डू बेस्ट, and the whole world looks at us for this because it's our colors, our drapes. We understand sun, tropical weather, organic fabrics. Who else but us? All our processes, techniques are organic. So when we put it all together and market it, it's a lethal combination. And before I knew it, you know, internationally we were doing it's only 7 years of my brand, and resort is I have a lot to thank this market for. We supply to Ibiza, Mallorca, the Greek islands, Turkish islands all over the world for resort wear. And why I think so, that is the business part of it.